Hi, I'm Miss Dayna and I'm with ArtSphere Inc. Today I'm going to show you how to paint without paint. No paint, no problem. Here's what you'll need. Paper, washable markers, a paintbrush and some water, and a piece of foil or a plastic baggie, whichever you have available. First thing you need to do is draw your picture. I recommend using a thicker cardstock piece of paper, but you're welcome to try it on anything you have available. I'm using a Sharpie for a few reasons. One, so you can see it nice and bold, and two, because it will not bleed or blend when it gets wet in a little bit. If you're using a Sharpie, make sure you get a trusted adult's permission first. Also, always have something underneath you so the Sharpie doesn't bleed through your paper. If you don't have a Sharpie, you can always use a pencil to draw it out first, or a crayon. Or skip ahead and start painting. You're welcome to follow along and draw a peacock with me. Feel free to pause the video since I am going to speed it up. Once you've completed your drawing, get out the rest of your materials and select between foil or a baggie. I'm going to use a baggie today. We're going to turn washable markers into paint. All you need to do is take one marker at a time, color directly onto the baggie or foil, dip your paintbrush in some water, and start painting. Your washable markers are going to work exactly like watercolor paint. Think of the baggie or foil as your paint palette. Color with a marker directly onto it, and now you have a new palette of color. But anytime you need to change your palette, simply wipe it away with a paper towel. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed how to turn regular washable markers into paint. Don't forget to share your art with ArtSphere for a chance to be featured on social media and our online art show.